Namaste, good evening. Let us begin. Sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Visualize Ma Durga in front of your eyes. Let us seek her divine grace and bless us to continue in this path of learning Mahishasuramardini Stotram. Let us begin with the invocation prayer. Let us chant together today. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Namaste Sharada Devi काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यां बुद्धिं च देहि मे. Let us surrender at the feet of Ma Durga and take her blessings. Let us begin the revision from Shloka 1 to 3. I'll go slowly. You can also chant along with me. अयि गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनिवासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्गहिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So yesterday, fourth shloka, we had finished the pronunciation and the meaning. Let's practice the chanting today. Repeat after me. ऐशतखण्ड ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड वितुण्डितशुण्ड वितुण्डितशुण्ड गजाधिपते गजाधिपते वितुण्डितशुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगजगण्ड रिपुगजगण्ड विदारणचण्ड विदारणचण्ड रिपुगजगण्ड विदारणचण्ड रिपुगजगण्ड विदारणचण्ड पराक्रमशौण्ड पराक्रमशौण्ड मृगाधिपते मृगाधिपते पराक्रमशौण्ड मृगाधिपते निजभुजदण्ड निजभुजदण्ड निपातितखण्ड निपातितखण्ड निजभुजदण्ड निपातितखण्ड निजभुजदण्ड निपातितखण्ड विपातितमुण्ड विपातितमुण्ड भटाधिपते भटाधिपते विपातितमुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते Let's do the first line by line. Let's do first line. ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड वितुण्डितशुण्ड गजाधिपते ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डितरुण्ड वितुण्डितशुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगजगण्ड विदारणचण्ड पराक्रमशौण्ड मृगाधिपते रिपुगजगण्ड विदारणचण्ड पराक्रमशौण्ड मृगाधिपते निजभुजदण्ड निपातितखण्ड विपातितमुण्ड भटाधिपते निजभुजदण्ड निपातितखण्ड विपातितमुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Okay, let's move to shloka 5. Okay. So shloka 5 also starts with Ayi Rana Durmada Ayi Rana Durmada Shatru बदोदित, ध महाप्राणा, शत्रुवधोदित, दोदित, ऐरणदुर्मद, शत्रुवधोदित, दुर्धर, निर्जर, दुर्धर, निर्जर, शक्तिभृते, शक्तिभृते, this is not brew, this is bru, भृते, चतुर विचार, चतुर विचार, धुरीण, धुरीण महाशिव, धुरीण महाशिव, दूतकृत, दूतकृत, again this is not ku, this is kru, kru, दूतकृत, प्रमथाधिपते, प्रमथाधिपते, दूरित दूरीह, दूरित दूरीह, दुराशय, दुर्मति, दूरित दूरीह, दुराशय, दुर्मति, दानवदूत, दानवदूत, कृतान्तमते, again this is kru, दानवदूत, कृतान्तमते, जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी, रम्यकपर्दिनी, शैलसुते. So here Mahaprana, Shatruvadhodita, dhodita. So whenever there is a Mahaprana and then there is a following letter, we usually tend to extend that dhodita. So it comes, without, if you don't put a conscious effort, both the letters will become Mahaprana. So be mindful of that. Shatruvadhodita, Durdhara, Durdhara, Nirjara, Dhas Mahaprana, Durdhara, Shakti Bhrite, Bha Mahaprana, Dhurina, Dha Mahaprana, Dutakrita, Pramatha, Pramatha, Tha and then Dha, so Di. So Pramatha Dhipate, Tha Dhipate, Durita, Duriha, Durashaya, Durmati, Danavaduta, Kritantamate. Here there is simple letters, no Mahaprana. Okay, so coming to the meaning, again, Ayi, we are addressing, O Mother. Here we are, the next three lines, again, three different qualities or three different incidents are being described here. So here, we are talking about all those devas, right? They have those limitless powers. So Shakti, Nirjara here refers to the devas, and Shakti. So when we understand the story of the manifestation of Ma Durga, all the devatas, the Trimurtis, their powers all came together to create Ma Durga. So when Ma Durga was created, she was given powerful weapons from each of these deities. So she now holds all those powers. So, and these powers, they arise, Udita, they arise. When do they arise? For Ma Durga to use them, when she needs to Shatruvada, kill those enemies, Vadam, right? Shatruvadam. So kill those arrogant enemies in the battlefield. So Durmada, Mada means arrogance, Durmada means extreme form of arrogance or pride. In the battlefield, she uses those limitless powers to kill all those arrogant enemies. This is the first line. Second line, Chatura Vichara. Chatura means highly skilled. Sadhuryam, right? That is the equivalent word, Chatura. So Chatura Vichara. Here Vichara refers to Atma Vichara, self-inquiry. Who is like the foremost in Atma inquiry, Atma Vichara, is Bhagavan Shiva. He is like in that deep meditative state, right? So he is also the leader, Adipati of Pramata. Pramata is the Gana, the uh, army of Bhagavan Shiva. So he is the leader of the Pramata Gana. He is highly skilled, Chatura. He is the foremost in Atma Vichara, Mahashiva. So Ma Durga, she sends Mahashiva as the Duta, messenger, in this battle. So I am not very uh, confident of the story. I believe this is narrated in detail in Durga Saptashati or Devi Mahatmyam. So in there the details of what happened is explained. So in that battlefield, when she was about to attack the enemies, she also, before that, she had sent messengers, or messengers from the enemy clan also came. That is the third line. So there were some conversations happening um, to either prevent the war or to strategize. So those details we can find in Durga Saptashati. So she sends Mahashiva as the messenger. And third line, now there is also a Duta. There is a Duta of from the Asura Shumba. So he comes, and here the qualities of that Shumba is explained. So here Durita, he is like done a lot of sins. Durita, Duriha, who has done a lot of evil actions. Durashaya. Ashaya means intentions or desires. Durashaya, he has a lot of evil intentions. Durmati, Mati is mind. Durmati is like evil mind. So this Duta, he has these qualities. He came to convey something to Ma Durga, and Ma Durga responded that, I am now ready for the final decision, final battle. So that is what Antamate. So the final decision she took when after this conversation happened with the Duta of Shumba. Let us chant. Airan Durmad, Airan Durmad, शत्रुवधोदित शत्रुवधोदित ऐरणदुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित ऐरणदुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते ऐरणदुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित ऐरणदुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुरविचार चतुरविचार दूरीण महाशिव दूरीण महाशिव चतुरविचार दूरीण महाशिव चतुरविचार दूरीण महाशिव दूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते दूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते चतुरविचार दूरीण महाशिव चतुरविचार धुरीण महाशिव दूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते दूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते दूरितदुरीह दूरितदुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दुराशय दुर्मति दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवदूत दानवदूत कृतान्तमते कृतान्तमते दानवदूत कृतान्तमते दानवदूत कृतान्तमते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवदूत कृतान्तमते दानवदूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So we have repeated the lines as well. When we chanted, first we chanted half and then the complete line. So we will not repeat again. Once I will chant the full shloka, you can either chant along with me or listen to it, so that when you practice, you can just look at this part of the recording and practice it at home. अयिरणदुर्मदशत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुरविचार दुरीण महाशिव दूतकृत प्रमताधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवदूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Moving on to shloka 6. अयि शरणागत शरणागत बैरिव बैरिव धूवर बैरिव धूवर वीर बराभय वीर बराभय दायिकरे अयि शरणागत बैरिव धूवर वीर बराभय दायिकरे. Second line. त्रिभुवन मस्तक त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधी शूल विरोधी शिरोधी शिरोधी कृतामल शिरोधी कृतामल शूलकरे शूलकरे. So this S symbol that you see, this is called the Avarga Chinna in Sanskritam. This has a significance when we do the Padacheda, when we break down the words. But for chanting, you can simply ignore this and say Shirodhi Kritamala Shulakare. Dumi Dumi Tamara Dumi Dumi Tamara Dundubhi Dundubhi Nada महोमुख महोमुखरीकृत दुन्दुभिनादमहोमुखरीकृत. So when we are breaking into two parts, you can say dumi dumi tamara dundubi dumi dumi tamara dundubi nadama nada Mahomukarīkrita Tingnikare. So you can stop at Dundubi Nada. Okay. So you can take a pause there and then start with Mahomukarīkrita Dingnikare. This is ing. Dingnikare. Dumi Dumi Tamara Dundubi Nada Mahomukarīkrita Dingnikare. Dingnikare. So because we are chanting this in a same tune, you will automatically know where to take a pause. And if there are any words that, if for example, if it is shulakare, if you mispronounce it as shulakare, then you will notice it that something is wrong. So the tune helps you to make sure that you are sticking to the exact words, exact letters. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. So here also there are a few Mahapranas. Dhuvara, Bhaya, Veeravara Bhaya, Tribhuvana, Virodhi, Shirodhi, Dundubhi, Mahomukha. Yeah, that's about it. So here also we are going to have like 3 different incidents that are being brought up. First, Ayi, O mother. Here we are talking about 2 different kinds of mudras that usually our gods and goddesses hold. It is called the Varada mudra, or the mudra that gives boons, right? It's usually shown like this, pointing the where the hand is pointed towards the floor. And then we have abhaya. Abhaya is like protection. So where the palm is shown this way. So here we are talking about vara and abhaya. Vara abhaya. So Devi holds these mudras in her hands. Why? Because she is using them to grant boons. Grant boons to whom? Whoever does sharanagati, surrender. Sharanagata is what is mentioned here. So whoever is like seeking her refuge. And 2 examples are given here. One is the wives of the enemies. From the enemy side, if the wives come and plead to Ma Durga and they surrender, then she grants boons to them. She also grants boons to the great warriors, either in their team or in the opposite team, but they surrender to her. So she offers boons to them as well. So that is the Vara Veera, the great warriors. So here it is that the takeaway for us is that we just need to surrender to her. The importance of Sharanagati, importance of seeking her refuge, surrendering to the cosmic will. Uh, Many times we resist. We don't want to, if things happen, we resist so much. But sometimes, surrender is the only option. So surrendering to that cosmic will is what we can take away from this first line. Second, here we are talking about the Tribhuvana. Tribhuvana is like 3 worlds. Okay, so Ma Durga, she holds a Shula. So Shula Kare, trident, right? So Kare means hand. So she holds hand. In her hand she holds that Shula, and she points at the Virodhi, enemies, towards their head, Shira. Okay, and um, that Shula, that trident, is Amala. Mala means impurities. Amala means, pure, flawless. So Amala Shula. So that trident is like such flawless trident she holds in her hand, and she points it to the heads of the enemies, and these enemies have become the big challenge, big headache for the three worlds. Mastaka Shula means like causing headache or trouble to the three worlds. Third line here, you can imagine that when this ferocious battle is happening, all the directions is like vibrating because of this fierce battle that is going on. But that um, reverberation, it sounds like the dundubi instrument. It's making that dum dum sound. So dik means directions. So ding nikare, where all the directions they reverberate with that dundubi instrument sound, making that dhum dhum sound. So that's again, we are taken to that battlefield, and gives an experience of, the sound effects, you can say. Okay, let's chant. आई शरणागत वैरिवधूवर, आई शरणागत वैरिवधूवर, वीरवराभय वीरवराभय, धायि करे दायि करे, वीरवराभयदायि करे, अयि शरणागत वैरिवधूवर, अयि शरणागत वैरिवधूवर, वीरवराभयदायि करे, वीरवराभयदायि करे, त्रिभुवनमस्तक त्रिभुवनमस्तक, शूलविरोधी, त्रिभुवनमस्तक शूलविरोधी, शिरोधिकृतामल शिरोधिकृतामल, शूलकरे, शिरोधिकृतामल शूलकरे, शिरोधिकृतामल शूलकरे, त्रिभुवनमस्तक शूलविरोधी, त्रिभुवनमस्तक शूलविरोधी, शिरोधिकृतामल शूलकरे, शिरोधिकृतामल शूलकरे, दूमि दुमितामर दूमि दुमितामर, दुन्दुबिनाद दुन्दुबिनाद, दूमि दुमितामर दुन्दुबिनाद, दूमि दुमितामर दुन्दुभिनाद, महोमुखरीकृत महोमुखरीकृत, दिङ्निकरे दिङ्निकरे, महोमुखरीकृत दिङ्निकरे, महोमुखरीकृत दिङ्निकरे, दूमि दुमितामर दुन्दुभिनाद, महोमुखरीकृत दिङ्निकरे, दूमि दुमितामर दुन्दुभिनाद, महोमुखरीकृत दिङ्निकरे, जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि, रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते, जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि, रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Notice how chanting Mahishasura Mardini Stotram improves our mindfulness. We have to be fully focused on the shloka. It improves our mindfulness, focus, attention. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let's conclude. We'll chant together. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Let us take the blessings of Ma Durga. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining. I think tomorrow we will skip the class because not many people are coming on the weekends. So we will again meet on Monday. So please practice the 6 shlokas. We will not repeat this on Monday. So we will start directly from the 7th shloka. Thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.
Thank you very much.